Guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a little quickie sticky unboxing. I have been getting Stickii Club for a heck of a long time, like probably almost a year by this point. And I love the subscription. It's endured of my subscriptions, guys. And I always get these envelopes and rip them open like a little trash goblin because I am so excited to open them. And then I get about halfway through the first one and I'm like, you could have filmed this. You could have filmed it. And then I go, oh well, and I just keep opening. So I thought I would maybe flip the script a little bit and actually record an unboxing for you guys. In case you haven't seen these, I love these stickers. They have become like the star of the show as far as like my collages and my like collage book of shadows. I use them a lot. I also hoard them like Dragon Gold because, of course, why not? But I love the subscription. It's like $11 a pack. It's really reasonable. The shipping is fast. It's super consistent. Hashtag not sponsored, but, you know, sponsor me. But I love this, and I thought I would share it with you guys today. And I did not open them to prove that I haven't opened them yet. I have not given into my goblin urge to seek the treasure and open it. So, I get the pop pack and the vintage pack. I don't get the cute pack. That's the third option they have. Only because I don't see myself using that in a journaling sense. Probably like, I would use it for like Happy Meal, but I don't think I would use it for anything practical, so I don't get that one. But I get these two, and I love these two. And they're kind of an eclectic mix. Plus, I think the pop pack tends to have a lot of cute stuff sometimes, which I'm not like a super fan of. But it's okay because, like, generally the overall theme is there, and then, like, you get, like, one cute thing, but the rest are legit, so I'm alright with that. I wouldn't be okay getting, like, a full envelope of cute stuff. That being said, you've probably seen me use these envelopes because I saved them. They're very nice quality envelope. They're really pretty on their own. But I've been using the envelopes a lot just to reuse them in a lot of crafty things. We're going to open up the pop pack first. But yeah, these envelopes are good. They send out quality journal supplies and stickers. Like, what's not to love? But I'm so excited and I already forgot the theme. So it comes in these little, like, binder pockets. And they sell the little binder folio things to, like, put them all in, to store them in on their site. I do not buy those. They're, like, $30. I'm not that bougie. I get them for, like, 10 bucks off Amazon. And they work perfectly because it's a standard size. And then it comes with a little, like, label for each of them. So the thing for this one is break my candy heart. So as a requirement, I cannot look at anything else until I put one sticker on here. I don't know why. It's just, like, something I have not been able to get past. Like, I have to label it. Otherwise, I don't know, I'll lose the label. Questions I can't answer. But in the front, you get like a big item. It's usually like a little notebook, or in this case, a little notepad. This is super cute. I love like the little modern gothic mermaid. That's really sweet. And these make like fun notes to include in like Happy Mail or just like orders and stuff like that. Plus, I'll find a use for that. And then it comes with this cute little gothic boot stamp. I don't know how well that's going to show up on my skin tone. Maybe on this. But isn't that cute? Now I kind of want to do like a pastel goth book just because I have this stamp. So it's either like a stamp or like there's like paper clips or like a bookmark or something is usually the other item that you get. And then occasionally you'll get like a third item back here or just a bunch of stickers. And you get like 6 to 8 of these depending on what else was included. So I should have grabbed like a white sheet of paper. Because some of these are like transparent. This will work. These are so cute. Like, I just was like shitting on cute stuff, but this is cute. I love these. Little gothic mermaids. Super sweet. I love those. This one is not transparent. These are really pretty. Like, this is... Focus. Like, really nice alternative goth pastel goss. I love her. She's so cool. These are super cool. They're going to come in great for like collages. Collages. I don't know how to say it anymore. I've said it so much. This one's holographic, which is so neat. Oh, this is like Morgan. How cool is that? So they feature a bunch of different artists, and they're usually at the bottom of the sticker. This one is by Duck Him. I'm not going to read all the artists, but they also feature them on the website. So if you want to know who a particular artist is, you can follow them. They're on the sticker. They're on the website. They also send out an email with like spoilers, so you can see what's coming, or get like a little preview for the next month. And this way you can skip it if you want to, which I kind of appreciate, because I'll check like the preview, and I'll just get like a real quick once over. Luckily my ADHD rattled brain cannot commit to memory what I see, so all of this is brand new to me, despite the fact that I've probably seen it, but it gives me a heads up on whether or not I want to like skip that month. This is great. I want to frame this. Like, I want to blow this up and frame it. These are really cute. They're like almost the texture of like a notepad, like a sticky note, which is great because that means like they're writable if I wanted to like write in here. These are super cute, you guys. I am loving this. So you usually get a pretty good like selection of diversity, like really usable stuff, from embellishments to like focal point type stickers. These are so pretty. Look at that little creature from Black Lagoon, the Bride of Frankenstein. Frank. I know it's not Frank, don't come at me. It's Frankenstein's monster, but we're going with that. Look at that, it's so pretty. So these are the same artist. This is Lofi. This is so perfect. Look at these little ghosts. They are freaking adorable. Love this. And then there is some spooky food, and it's also holographic, or like glitter graphic. I don't know what you guys would call it. Like, I know it's holographic, but it's like little tiny glittery bits, which is cute. But it's spooky food. Look at that. These are so great. So yes, I love this one. This month's pop pack was super cute, and I love it, and I'm obsessed. And now I have pastel goth dreams in my brain. And let's see what we got in the vintage pack. Ooh, okay. Where did I put the other one? Over there. So this month's theme for vintage was the gothic novel. Ooh. I kind of like, sometimes they'll like partner really well with each other. The themes will. Like, there will be some crossover. So I do like that there were two gothic themes, although I think this one's going to be a little bit more vintage. Victorian goth, of course, comes with the name. But I also love that too. That's like two struggle goth aesthetics like coming together. So this is really pretty. Oh, that's embossed. That's gold foil embossed. How pretty is this? This is going to be like perfect in journals, guys. I love it. And then we also got a little tiny like Transylvania castle stamp. How cute! I want a tiny castle, but like one that I'll fit in, not like this tiny. But also maybe like a model size of my tiny castle. I want a personal size castle and then a model of my personal size castle. Does that make sense? No, it's like bananas, but I love it. So let's see. So we got some more of the architecture that was on that little notepad. That's really pretty. They work with some really great artists to come up with these like really pretty designs. And then it looks like confusion. Okay, so there's some number tabs, which are neat. They're also foiled. The confusing part was that there was just this letter A, and I don't know what that means, because my name doesn't start with A. And it's only the one sheet, so it's not like I got the whole alphabet to, like, catalog. But I guess maybe, like, apothecary? That'll work. That's usable. But I do like these, like, index-type tags. Those are neat. And then there's these little, like, spooky tableaus. It's like a graveyard. And some candles. And little epitaphs. Is that what they're called? I don't know what epitaph actually means now that I'm thinking about it. It sounds appropriate. I'm probably very wrong and far from it. But those are really pretty. Ooh, we got 2 sheets by this artist. So this is by Mary Siring. Sorry. This is giving me like, well, clearly Gothic, Victorian, but also, like Woman in Black, and, you know that one with, the girl who plays Alice in Wonderland. I'm gonna be so mad because I love that movie and I can't remember it. It's got Tom Hiddleston in it. You guys know. You're all screaming it at me. I can feel it. It reminds me of that as well. Also, like The Haunting of Hill House, a little bit. I love this. So you're going to make, like, perfect little pops of embellishments in journals, and I'm so excited to use it for that. And this one's giving me, like, Percy Shelley vibes. Percy and Mary. When I get farther down, you'll see. Definitely got, like, some Frankenstein-esque. I hope that focuses. I feel like my focus has, like, its own agenda. But there's some more of these little, like, notepad-style stickers. I don't know if that's going to help because they're the color of the paper. They're really pretty, and they make perfect little journal spots. And I love that they're like vintage style, just a little bit spooky. Leave some room for interpretation. And then there's this really nice, oh, same artist. Ooh, look at that. I've never seen them feature the same artist twice, or 2 sets of the same artist. So that's interesting, but I love this. These also have little pops of foil on them. They're like a rosy, coppery gold. I think it's more of a copper than a rose. I know colors. But with the same sort of at-home style kitty cat, Victorian Gothic themes. So I love that. This set was cool too. I love, like, the juxtaposition of this type of goth versus this type of goth. Love my Stickii Club sets. So I thought it would just be fun to, like, jump in here and show you guys the set before I, like, you know, rip it open on my own and then just stare at my goodies. And, you know, if you guys like seeing these unboxings, let me know. I will continue to strive to do them and not be an impatient small child and share them with you because I think this is fun. I like unboxing things. I do have another box coming up, not till next month. It's a bi-monthly box, so I paid for it this month and I will get it next month. I'm really excited because it's a return of an old classic and I'm just so happy to have it back. But then, yeah, those are the only unboxings I have for you currently. I'll try to add some more as time goes on, but let me know what you thought about Stickii Club. Would you consider getting this? Is this something you could use? Also, again, I am not affiliated, so I don't get anything if you get it. If I am affiliated, then please feel free to subscribe, but it's not currently at that. I just think they're really fun, and they're nice, and it's kind of nice to have like an unusual set of stickers for the unusual books I like to make. But if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your face. Thank you, as always, for watching and supporting my channel, and I will catch you guys all in the next one. Till next time, happy crafting. Bye!